Alright, I'm gonna do this video before I get too busy, you feel me? You know, got my little setup right here. But I'm gonna show you what I got from the stove. Got a little bag for me. Shout out to Iconic Barber Supply. I put up this video for a couple days because I was busy, but you know, had running restocked on the roller, the hairspray. I got 2 of these. I'm already using one over there, but I got 2 of these restocked on this. I got some more clipper oil, some cool care. Had to get another one of these because this one over here, that one, I don't know if you see, but I mean, this shit broken. Yeah, it's a bit broken. Get to fix that today. This was 25% off. Everything in Elegance over there was 25% off. Some more OG Walker. Y'all know me. I fuck with OG Walker, you feel me? Alright, and afterwards I got some more Barber side thing over there. Some more sanitizing spray. That was pretty much about it, y'all. Oh, hold on. We also got some more cologne, 14 karat one. You feel me? Had this one before. Everybody fuck with this. I'm gonna post a little video of how I make my own little scents and shit. But yeah, that was the damage right there, y'all. Like a comment. One day I'm gonna take y'all to the store with me while I'm shopping. Peace out.